our video. Yeah. Babe, you got come to here. Alright, so okay. Start it up and see how it is. Like I said, you gotta prime it up for a couple seconds, you know. Yeah. You know, put it in neutral, prime it up for a couple seconds. Just wait a couple seconds, really, that's it. And then, yeah. You ready? Alright. Yeah, you gotta wait a couple more times for it. Got a lot of smoke, right? Tadi kuliru kemana? Kuliru kemana? Dari oil ya.
Is this supposed to sound like that?
It's diesel. It's been sitting for a while too, you know, so yeah. Yeah, he's gonna need a lot of work. But anyway,
How do the doors lock?
huh?
How do the doors lock?
You gotta lock it with a key right there. You gotta lock it with a key right there. That's the, you know, you got a little handle right there, the mirror, in the mirror. So that none of the lights work. Huh?
None of the lights work. So you can't drive this at night at all.